Hello, welcome. We are going to look at putting a picture in our text. And you might think, hey, we already did a picture in our text. We have a nice little kitten here. Well, this kitten isn't really just a picture. It's just an image on a button. If we want a picture that's just going to stay there as a picture, we'll want something else. So let's take this image out of our button and have it look like it's supposed to, where it just says a little button that says push me here. Alright, just so we don't get confused with multiple pictures and what's the picture and what's not. Alright, so now if we want a picture to show up at the bottom, what we would do is start a new widget called picture. And just like every other widget we put on, first we have to tell it where to put it. We're going to put it in the app. And then we need to tell it what image. I think mine was cat.png. I should have looked at it before I got rid of it. Let's run this to see if this works. Oh, look at there. There's a cat. And it's not on a button. It's actually just a picture. Great. So now we have a picture that just pops up. Now, if we want to change it, so I'll call this like something like picture location equals picture. So if we give it a name, then we can change it when we hit a button. So let's say whenever we hit the push button and we go to the command Pokemon, it's going to change the writing at the top. Let's change the picture. Let's change it to a dog picture, and I already Googled dogs. Oh, look at this good boy right here. I'm going to take a quick snippet of this. You would have to use SCROT on the Raspberry Pi. I'm doing this on my computer, so on my laptop. So we'll take that, and now I need to save it in the same location as our file. So I should check. I'm going to pause this for a second. Just going to go back here. I'm going to do a save as, just so I can see where my file's at. I'm saving this in my desktop int math. So this picture, oh, I don't want that. There we go. I'm going to save this as desktop int math because it has to be in the same location. And now I'm going to call this dog. All right. So now, when they click the button, I'm going to say picture location dot image is equal to dog.png. All right. Now, when I start this up, it's going to start with a cat here, and now I'm going to say roof. That's not how you spell rough. There we go. And now when I push the button, the dog comes in and it says rough up top. So that way, that shows how you can change the picture from one picture to another as you go through your program.